All right. I'm the first to come. Still waiting. Yeah. That's my bro there, Chuku Ebuka. So before the live video self, you are here. I really appreciate you, my bro. You're highly welcome. I'm back now, you understand? I'm back. Fully active. You guys know how we do it. You understand? I'm active for you guys. 247. I'm active. Yes, I'm active. You get? I'm active. Just as the name implies, just as the topic implies, top down analysis. You understand? Let's know what the new week that will enter. Let's know what we are going to expect. You understand? Let's know what we are going to expect. Chuku Ebuka, you are here already. You are highly welcome, my brother. You are highly welcome, my brother. So tell me where you're watching from so that we'll go ahead straight. Then hope you guys have like packed your questions. You understand? You have arranged your questions somewhere, maybe write it in a piece of paper so that you'll be hitting me with your question. Then I'll give you the best that I can. That is my main aim of sacrificing this particular time with you guys. You understand? I make sure I come here every time to give you guys value. You get, to give you guys value. This particular 8 from 8 o'clock to anytime, maybe 9, 10, 11, anytime I spend with you guys, with you guys without interruption of the network or maybe laptop or NEPA. You understand? I'm good. You understand? I can stay active till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, even till tomorrow morning if you guys are active. So tell me where you're watching from, then hit me with your question. Let me solve one or two. Let me answer one or two questions before we go ahead. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you're watching from. Hope this particular glass look good on me. If the glass don't look good on me, tell me so that I'll remove it. You get, you bring it back, man. Bring it back. Tell me where you're watching from. 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 I'm the first to go on. You're highly welcome, my brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate your consistency. You understand? I appreciate your consistency. That's why I always tell you guys, come with your questions, come with anything at all. You understand? So that we'll solve it together here. Because shall let me not make I not just go deeper. You understand? But I'm here for you guys now. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys. Let's rub minds together so that we'll end this particular week in profit. You understand? So that we'll end this particular week in profit. Good evening. Good evening. Nabike Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel, you're highly welcome. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for greeting everybody on the live. Thank you for greeting everybody who are streaming. People Lord USA. Wada. I greet you, boss. I greet you, people Lord. I greet you from USA. I greet you. I'm loyal, sir. See, you should laugh. No problem. Make I no see laugh emoji from you. People Lord, you should laugh, no problem. Make I no see laugh emoji from you. All the way from USA. People Lord, my guy, you're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming, bro. I appreciate your coming. You know I always got you, and you got me too. I love you, bro. I love every one of you who are on this live today. You understand? Just ask me questions so that we'll go ahead. Ask me question. Ask me. I tell you not to see any laugh emoji from you. People Lord. I tell you not to see any laugh emoji from you. You don't start. You start already. See, don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm not here for joking. I'm here for you guys this night, man. Bro, hit me with question. Let's rub mind together as one family. This particular channel is for traders, either beginner, intermediary, or like an advanced. Like let me just say, beginner, advanced trader, and professional forex traders. All this channel is for all of us. You understand? It's for all of us. Let me see. My question. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit me your question. Hit me your question. Hit me your question. I'm waiting for like I'm waiting for question. You understand? I'm waiting for question from you guys. Let's be active. Let's be active. Let's be active. Tell me where you're streaming from, like you're watching us from. Then I'll give you a shout out. Tell me. People from USA, straight ahead. People from USA, straight ahead. I appreciate your coming, bro. Emmanuel, you just like you greet everybody. That's just my greatest joy. You greet everybody like good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's very great. Emmanuel, this one, you are the first to reach here. Chikwebuka, you are the first to reach here. I appreciate my bro. Okay, let me see this question from People. How do you manage your money after making profit from trading? After making profit from trading, trading is not something that you make profit today and jubilate about it, because you don't know how today's trade is going to like end. You understand? See, I'll tell you that traders not even like celebrate profit, and they don't celebrate loss. Do you know why? Because the profit you make today, you can like trade can go against you. The next trade that you will take can go against you and make you to lose that particular profit. That's the reason why traders don't normally celebrate profits. You understand? But if you want to like, no matter how you spend your profit, you still keep, you understand, you still, maybe you spend, let me just say, if you make any profit, no matter how you spend rate, just spend 30% and keep 70% for like to be guiding you. You understand? Let that one stay aside in case if anything happen on the chart, because you are not in the control of the market. In case if anything happen, then you can be able to like fund your account again. You understand? That is the reason why, even if you are like, even if you have you are a profitable trader, you cannot like boldly celebrate it, because you don't know what the next trade you are going to take do. You understand? You don't know what is going to happen, so you cannot just boldly celebrate your profit. So if you are spending your profits, make sure you keep 70% of that profit, so that you spend 30%, enjoy your life with 30%, keep 70% to be guiding you in case of any uncertainty. You understand? I don't know if that English is correct, but if it's not correct, you guys are like, you guys can correct me. You understand? In case of like unprepared loss and the rest, you get. Let me see this. Mr. People from USA. Did I answer you correctly? Did you get anything from this question that you asked? From the reply that I give, do you get anything from it? If you get anything from it, let me see a reaction from you, please, 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 please. If you get anything, let me see a reaction. Come on, let's mess up the chat. Let's mess up the chart. Let's mess up the chart. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Just tell me any pair that will start with JPY ENTH. JPY ENTH. JPY ENTH. Which pair do you want us to start with? My favorite pair is three. I have three favorite pairs, you understand, which is GBP Euro USD, and XAUSD. Those are my favorite pair. But I'm willing to like analyze any particular pair you guys bring to me. You understand? I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys. Let me see. People, what are your thoughts on mixing both trading and other side hustle? See, mixing both trading and other side hustle is very, 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 very good for beginner trader who have not like who have not reached the profitable level completely. You understand? Having a side hustle, as I did like this, I have a side hustle. You understand? I have a side hustle where I eat from. You understand? Where I fund my trading from. So my advice for anybody who wants to like venture into trading, or who is into trading currently, is to get a side hustle. You understand? So that you will not be like solely depend on trading, because it's not every time trading is going to pay you. You understand? And as a beginner trader, everything like you will be losing. And if you don't have side hustle, Where will you get money to be funding your account? And losing is part of the game. You are not be like, you understand? So please, if you are a trader, please get a side hustle until you make enough profit. You understand that even if trading is not paying you for the like for more than 6 months, you can be able to like afford whatever you want, you get. So please get a side hustle. People, Lord, I don't know if you get me right. If you get me right, let me see a reaction from you again. If you get me right, let me see a reaction from you again. JPYENT, please hold on for me a bit, just some minutes. Let me answer people correctly. Let me answer people correctly. JPYENTH, please hold on a bit. Let me answer. Let me see a reply from people. Let me see a reply from people. So, and that people, the answer I'm giving to people is applied to every beginner and advanced trader here who have not yet. Okay, correct, sir. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That is very great. So the answer I give to people concerning this particular question is implied to every other beginner trader or an advanced trader who have not reached the profitability stage yet. You understand? So please and please and please, as I dey like this, I have good evening, Beatrice. You are here already. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my sister. Good evening. You're highly welcome. Appreciate your coming. You come on time today. You come on time today. So prepare your question so that you hit me with your question. So, people, Lord, let's continue. So I want everybody to learn from what I tell people, Lord. You get? I want everybody to learn from what I tell people, Lord, concerning side hustle and trading. Please keep studying your trading. You understand? Don't give a chance. Don't give a chance, but get a side hustle. You understand? As you are beginning to like, as you are beginning your trading journey, you don't even need to be sleeping in the night. Let your sleeping time be very, very limited. You understand? Like study your chart in the night most. You understand? In the night, study your chart. Look at how the chart move, everything. You understand? So that in the daytime, whenever you have a little chance, you just rest. You understand? Then fire on with your side hustle till you can be able and boldly to be feeding yourself, even if trading is not working. Because even as a professional forex traders, they have a losing trick, and if they don't have enough capital to sustain them for that particular period, there's no way they are going to like fund their account again. You understand? So please get a side hustle. It's very, very necessary. It's very, 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 very necessary. So, all right. Correct, sir. Thank you, people, Lord. Thank you. I love this your question. I love the question you bring up for all of us. I love the question you bring up for everybody. I love this question. So I'm expecting a question like this. You understand? Maybe not particular this one, but other things like intelligent questions like this. You get intelligent questions like this from just as people Lord bring it. You understand? Bring it up. So let me see. Let me see. Okay, boss. Okay, just stick around. Stick around. I'm going to like analyze all the pairs for you guys. Booty. I thought the topic was top-down analysis. Yes, it's top-down analysis, but what we are discussing is also part of our journey. You understand? JPYENT, please don't be angry. It's top that the topic is top down analysis, but what we are discussing is still part of our trading journey. You understand? It's still part of our trading journey. It's something that you're supposed to learn a lot from. You understand? This particular question that he bring up is something that is going to even help you, help me, help everybody. Because me already I have a side hustle, pay a complete paying side hustle. You understand? So it's help a lot. That's the reason why I'm like talking much about that particular topic. I'm going straight to your question now. You understand? To analyze GDP. Let's see what GDP will give us in this particular new week. This is your question here, and I'll be waiting for more questions down below here. You get? You understand? I'll be waiting for more questions down below. So let me go straight to the chat. I'm going straight to the chat now. I'm going straight to Trading view. Let me go straight to trading view. Then we'll analyze the charts. Very, very necessary. Then we'll analyze the chart. Very, very necessary. You guys, so that we'll analyze the chart. Very, very necessary. Mm. So that we'll analyze the chart. Very necessary. Very necessary. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys as I'm about to share my screen. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys as I'm about to share my screen. You get. Mm. I'm about to share my screen. So I'll be waiting for more questions, more questions, more questions, so that I'll be like enlightening ourselves on what to do. You get, on what to do. Losing is supposed to be enough now. Like it's supposed to come to an end. Even if you lose, let it be a like at least let your lose no more than your gain, please. Please, that's my prayer for everybody who showed on my live stream. I pray may the Lord give you the knowledge. Lawa Felix, please. Okay, see this person. Oh, JPY ENT. My trading view is loading. Please, just a minute, let it load. Just a minute, let it load. Please, I want more illustration on a market structure. Especially, there was a time I said any high, low, and break the support level must come back to take out the high, low. Yes, I'm still going to that. Just stick around. I'm still going to that. I'm still going to that. I'm still going to that. Lawa Felix, I'm still going to that. Let me answer JPYELTH because I can see he's angry already. I can see he's angry already. So this is our chart here. This is our chart here. Where do you think dollar is heading to? Except if I check the chart. You understand? Except if I check the chart because all we do here is technical analysis. You understand? Not fundamental. Me, I'm just pure technical analysis. I will look at the chart, know the behavior of the chart. Either buyers are taking over or sellers are taking over. Pure price action guy. You understand? Except if I want to take my time to like study fundamental before I will make research about what either dollar is weak or strong. You get? So I'm coming for your question. I swear, I'm coming for your question. Just stick around. If you're if you what, stick around, stick around, stick around. We are still going to like from the top down analysis we are going to do. You know the direction of the market, so don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Let me share screen. Let me share screen real quick. Let me share screen real quick. Let me share screen real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. I'm gonna share screen. Yep. Can you guys see my screen now? If you can see my screen, let me see number one from you. If you can see my screen, let me see number one real quick. If you can see my screen, let me see number one. If you can see my screen, let me see number one. If you can see my screen, let me see number one. And JPYENTH. If you are still around, let me see a reaction from you too. Then guys, if you guys can see my screen, let me see number one real quick. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel, you can see my screen. JPY, you can see my screen. All right. Lawa Felix, you can see my screen. Then who again? Means everybody has seen my screen. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. People, Lord, you press two. You press two. You press two. Don't give me headache. Oh. You press two. I say number one, you dey press two. You dey press two. Try me and see. I'll come meet you for US. I'll come meet you for US, and me and you had a fight, a physical fight in a ring. But let's just forget about that now. Before I talk too much. If I talk too much now, maybe if I come, you will beat me. I don't know. All right. You guys are hearing me very, very clean and clear. So this is our screen here, and this is GBP USD. You understand? As you can see, this is GBP USD. Then See the move, you understand? See the move from this particular support level. I'm going to the higher time frame. Let's know what the higher time frame is doing, and that's what I always tell you guys. You understand? Whenever you come on your screen, go to the higher time frame to know what the higher time frame is doing before you switch down to lower time frame. You understand? So I'll go to higher time frame. Like, let me just say I do my own top down analysis as a day trader from the daily time frame. You understand? Then go to 4 hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level out. Then go to 15-minute time frame, which is my execution time frame, to wait for the market to give me a bullish engulfing candle from a 15-minute time frame. Then I'll switch down to a 5-minute time frame to see if the market form a W pattern or not. Those are the pairs, those are the four this thing time frame that I use. First of all is daily time frame, second is 4 hour time frame, third is 15-minute time frame, then the fourth is 5-minute time frame. Do you get? That's what I always use, and it's worked for me. You get? It's worked for me all the time, always. It's not always so. You know, any strategy is 100%. Make a no lie for you. You get? So this is it here. So on our screen here, this is 4 hour time frame. You understand? But I'm going to daily time frame. I'm going to daily time frame. This is an illustration. This is something that I mark out for you guys. This is how market create inducement. But if you don't understand what inducement means on the chart, please ask the question so that I will still do it again. You understand? Again, 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 and again. You understand? I'm here for you guys this night. I'm here for you guys this night. And if you need one-on-one this thing, you can still hit me up on WhatsApp so that we'll do it one-on-one. But that one, the make I no lie, is not free. Oh. That one is not free. Oh. One-on-one on WhatsApp is not free, oh, because that one I need to squeeze my time as a businessman. I need to squeeze my time, come to like give you your value whenever you want it. You get? So what are you seeing on the chart? We are seeing this bullish candle from this particular support level. And you guys know what? You guys don't know what happens to me. Let me give you a little gist before I go into this analysis. You understand? Let me go give you guys a little gist before I go into this analysis. I have a 25K account on Funded Nest, I have 10K account on Funded Nest, and I have 5K account on Funded Nest. And that 5K account, I dash it out to one of my cousin who visited me, just as I always tell you guys. You understand? Then on that 10K account, I was on a drawdown on that 10K account. So I managed to like grow it above 10K, which is around $10,080. You understand? So I drop it somewhere. You understand? I log it out from my MT5 entirely. I don't want to take a trade with it. And I don't know that it's over 1 month now. You understand? Yesterday, which is Saturday, something come to my mind that since that I log out of this particular 10K account from my MT5, it's have more than one good. Rachel, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. I see you, I see you, I see you. You're welcome, my sister. See, that particular thing, but it tempered with my emotion yesterday like mad. So even my brother was scared. I say, I've lost this my 10K account. I rushed to my Funded Nest this thing website. I see that the 10K is still there. You understand? So I look closely. I log in very very quick to my. I log in that particular 10K um, to my MT5, because I told you guys here which day is it, day before yesterday, that since I take my 10K account to above 10K, because I was on a drawdown, I take it above 10K, I log it out from my MT5 so that it will rest first. So I based on that 25K account, so that I'll raise it to at least I'll raise it from drawdown. You understand? So yesterday it comes to my mind that it has more than 1 month now that I logged out of that particular 10K account. So I rushed to Funded Nest website, log in, take my login details from there, go to MT5, log in on that particular 10K. Lo and behold, do you guys know what saved me? there is a buy limit I set on GBP USD. You guys know I said everything of my, like I talk everything with proof. You understand? I have a proof for everything, you get. So I I log in immediately and I see one particular trade running. You understand? Do you know that particular trade that is running? There is a set of buy limit, buy limit that I set over close to 2 months now. So the market come down and pick me from that particular buy limit. You understand? Pick me, enter trade, and is running, and I don't know. So as I log in, I see a trade running. I say, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Jesus. I was so happy because the trade is up about 130 something dollar in profit. I don't know if I shake this particular phone, my network is going to disconnect, but I have to show you guys. Jesus Christ. See, my network, oh, no be small luck, oh. I swear to God, no be small luck I get. No be small luck. My see, I'm trying to show you guys the proof. You understand? But my network disconnect. So if you want to like, if you want me to narrate it for you, but please chat me on WhatsApp so that I'll send you the screen. So the net, like the market come down and pick me. You understand? A lot of people have go, but no problem. The network, like the market come down and pick me from where I set a buy limit. You understand, ba? So as he pick me, that is the only thing that makes them not to deactivate that particular account. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I see you, I see you. I say, is there anything called luck in forex? Ah, there is no luck. Oh. There is no luck except if you. Knowledge is the only thing that will keep you going. Knowledge is the only thing that will keep you going. There is no luck in it. There is no luck. So if you want to like see how God saved me from this particular, from losing my 10K, you understand, from losing my 10K prop account, just hit me up on WhatsApp. You understand? I'm going to put my WhatsApp number for you guys so that you hit me on WhatsApp. You understand? Hit me on WhatsApp. Hit me on WhatsApp. Let me put my WhatsApp number for you guys. Let me put my WhatsApp number for you guys. If you want to see how God saved me, you understand, from losing that particular 10K, just hit me up on WhatsApp 070 83 11 9905. You understand? 070 83 11 9905. This is it here. This is it here. From. So if you want to like see how God saved me from losing my 10K prop account on fundedness, just hit me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number 070 83 11 9905. You understand? There is a buy limit that I set over close to 2 months now. You understand? So the market come and pick me and like go start going in my favor. You understand? That is the only thing that makes them not to deactivate that particular account. And I even forget that I set a buy limit. So immediately the market come to that particular support level, it pick me. So if you are active, let me see number one from you. If you are active, let me see number one from you. If you are active, my network my in the process of trying to like show you guys how like God saved me from losing that particular 10K account. My network shift. So I think we are up to 10 before, but everybody most people left. But nevertheless, even if it's just one person that I have here, I'm okay with it. So all right, you are active. So if you want to see the proof, just hit me on WhatsApp. You understand? Hit me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you the proof. So the market come down and pick me. What am I telling you? If you know how to do your technical analysis, you can set a buy limit or a sell limit and just forget about it. You understand? So let's just dive into the question that this guy asked. You understand? Where is this guy? Where is this? I don't know if he's still active, but nevertheless, I'll be expecting a question from every other person. You understand? If you are here and you want me to analyze any pair, I'll be expecting a question from you. You understand? JPY ENTH. If you are still active, let me see a reaction from you. But is it funded next drawdown equity based on balance based? No, like I have some like a couple of loss. You understand? So I went on a drawdown. So I tried to like grow. I manage, grow the account back to its previous balance. You understand? Even more than that particular 10K account, I grow it back to 10,080 something dollar. You understand? So I log it out so that I'll not take trade with it, so that I will be like taking trade with my 25K account. You understand? Of which that particular one is on the drawdown. You understand? I'm trying to like take all of them up to, you understand, back to their previous balance. That is the reason why I log it out. And I log it out, I forget that after 1 month inactive, they are going to deactivate it. You understand? So at least you have to be taking trade, even if it is just once on your Profem account, even if it's just once, take trade with it so that they're not going to deactivate it. You understand? So the only thing that saved me is a buy limit that I place. You understand? So that buy limit, the market come down and pick me, going in my favor. You understand? Now I'm in profit in that particular buy limit that I set over close to 2 months now. You understand? That is the only means that is the only thing that saved me. Rachel, just reach me on WhatsApp. I'm going to send you the screenshot of it. I'm going to show you how everything played out. Anybody that want to like see how I like God saved me from from losing that particular account should hit me on WhatsApp. You understand? Here is my WhatsApp number. You understand? Here is my WhatsApp number. Either this and waiting. Who is this guy? Who's this guy safe? Who's this guy? Either JPY ENTH is active or not. I'm going to analyze JPUSD because that is what brings us here. Boss, in top-down analysis, what do you do in daily time frame? That's what that's what we are diving into now. You understand? That's what we are going to do now, presently. So stay active. Stay active. That's what we are going into. Stay active, stay active, stay active. Stay active, stay active, stay active. Actively, aggressively active. You understand? Aggressively active. Thank God for that buy limit too. I swear to God, I swear to God, I just thank God. And I just thank God. I thank God, I thank God, I thank God, I thank God. Okay, this is it here. Okay, this is our chart here. This is GBPUSD. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys where I set that buy limit. You get, I'm going to show you guys where I set that buy limit. Mm. I'm going to show you guys where I set that buy limit. Okay, this is daily time frame. This is what I do on the daily time frame, just as you asked, Mr. Emmanuel. On the daily time frame, I will come on the daily time frame and see how the previous day close. You understand? If the previous day close bullish, I'll be expecting the following day to close bullish. You understand? You get back. But first of all, what I'll need to do is, okay, I see one message here on WhatsApp, but no problem. I'm going to reply to you. If I go to the daily time frame, I'll see how the yesterday daily time frame close, or the previous day daily time frame close. You understand? If the daily time frame close bullish, I'll be expecting the next day to close bullish. You get? So this is what I'm going to do. If I see the direction of the market from the daily time frame, I'll go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? To mark a support and a resistance level out. You get? And this is it. This is one major support level that I mark over how many, close to 2 months ago. So I set a buy limit. I set a buy limit on it. You understand? I set a buy limit from this particular support level. This is where I set a buy limit from. You get, concerning the buy limit that you see that save you. No worry, I'm going to show you. 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 Definitely, definitely. So on your four, if you know the direction of the market from the daily time frame, go on your 4 hour time frame, then mark a support and a resistance level. So that time, you understand, the markets consolidate around this particular area. The reason why I set a buy limit here, the market consolidates very, very well on this particular support, on this particular area. This is it here. It consolidates around this area before it break to the upside. It consolidates very well around this area before the market break to the upside. So the market was around this area, and I see that whenever, and I know that whenever the market come to this particular place, there must be a push to the upside. So I set a buy limit here, you understand, then put my stop loss below this particular consolidation. You understand? I set a buy limit like this, then put my stop loss below this particular consolidation. You understand? Then I'm targeting, I've not even put take profit safe. I've not put take profit, thinking I'll be active. So before then I log out the that particular account from my MT5. So I forget that I set a buy limit. You understand? So the markets do all these things, you understand, for more than a month, for more than close to 2 months, because I check it, it's close to 2 months. It do all these things that you are seeing here, from here like this. It do all this particular thing to this area. You understand? Before the market come to tap on this particular support level, and immediately the market tap on the support level, it pick me. You understand? The market pick me from this buy limit that I set over how many, close to 2 months now. The market come and pick me. You understand? So now like this, the market is in profit. All of you that have sent a message on WhatsApp, I'm going to send you guys the screenshot or short video about it. You understand? I'm going to send a short video for you guys, for you to know that know how to do a simple technical analysis will save you a lot. You understand? Know how to do a simple technical analysis will save you a lot. You understand? Ba? That is the only thing that saved me. As I dey like this now, like this, I don't come on my screen to put any indicator or anything. I'll just look straight to the chart and know what to do immediately. That is what I always do. You get? You guys have never want to see anything like indicator, this and that. No. And as the market have, since you have know that yes, this is a major support level, let's dive into what brings us to this particular topic now. Since you have seen that the market have reached this particular major support level, where are you targeting? No matter what, no matter how they manipulate the market reach, the market must go up to clear this particular high. You understand, ba? This particular high. Let's see what this particular new week is going to give us now. The market will go all the way to this particular area. This is what I'm expecting. It will go like this, tap on this particular support resistance level, come down. You understand? It will come down, then break above it. You understand? Where are you expecting the market to return from? This particular fair value gap. If the market will return to the downside, you understand, you will be expecting the market to like come to this particular fair value gap, come to this particular fair value gap before we see any retracement to the downside. You understand? But what I'm seeing, you understand, what I'm seeing is the market, if the market can be able to break above this particular resistance level, it will just retest. It will just retest. It will just retest the support level, make it a support level, then create another higher high. This is what I'm looking out for. You understand? In this particular new week, this is what I'm looking out for, or JPUSD. So all you need to do is learn how to do simple technical analysis. Don't complicate things for yourself. Don't use plenty indicator. If you know that indicator works for you, stick to it. You understand? Stick to how it work. Then like you are going to like benefit from it. You get? Stick to how that particular indicator that you use work. You understand? And you're going to benefit from it. But me personally, there is no way, there is no any indicator anybody will introduce me to that will make me to switch from my pure naked chart analysis, pure naked price action to that particular indicator. No. And if you can stick to the chart to discover what always happen on the chart and be using pure naked chart, there's no way you are not going to be profitable. No. You understand? It's not any indicator that makes me to end last week in profit, 240 something dollar in profit, 243 point something dollar in profit last week. You understand? So this week, from what I'm seeing and from how I'm going to manage my risk and everything, I don't know what's going to happen, but I pray this particular week is going to be a profitable week for all of us who are active here. You understand? Today, you understand? Let me see how many people who are still active. Let me see how many people who are still active. Okay, we'll have 9 people here now like this. Always active, boss. Always active. You are aggressively active, and I love that. Aggressively active. Aggressively active. So if you have any question, if you want me to like, if you need any question from me, I come on the live video here every 8 p.m. You understand? Every 8 p.m. That is the time I will like give to you guys to like answer all your questions, teach you guys what I'm doing on the chat that is benefiting me. You understand? But if you need extra time from me, if you need my time, you understand, you can reach me on WhatsApp. You understand? You can reach me on WhatsApp, but I don't think that one will be free. You get? I don't think that one will be free. If I can squeeze my time to like attend to you on WhatsApp, apart from coming to live video here to answer your question, I don't think that one will be free. You get? I'm not going to charge you much, but I don't think that one will be free. If you want to have one-on-one conversation with me, if you want me to like give you all the details, you understand? I'm giving details here, but if you want every time, if you want us to like rub in mind every time, hit me on WhatsApp, but it's not going to be free and it's not going to cost you much. That's just it. You understand? But if you cannot afford to like pay anything, stick to this particular live stream that I do every 8 p.m. You understand? When there is light, then you'll be picking, then you'll be getting value from me free of charge. I come on the live video here to share everything I know free of charge with you. You understand? That's just everything I do on the live video here. You get? So let me see another question. Let me see another question. I get one indicator, it's called Juju. Hey, the Juju TSU. Omo, omo, now you create this particular indicator by yourself. Oh. Which one is Juju TSU? Now you create this particular indicator by yourself. Pip Lord, are you still active? Pip Lord, are you still active? Let me see if you are still active. Let me see. Always active. Yes, 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 my bro. You're always active. Rachel, you're active. Rachel, you're active. Pip Lord, I want to see a reaction from you. Pip Lord, I beg, come help me see you. Which particular indicator is Juju TSU again? I beg. How about Michael? It makes you laugh also, ba? Juju, Juju TSU, Jesus. Allah, kwa. Allah, Jesus, Allah. I mix everything together because I have everybody here. What's what's your is okay? Do you want me like you that create juju this thing indicator? Do you want me to analyze what gold? If you want me to analyze gold, any pair you want me to analyze gold, just let me know. Any pair at all you want me to analyze gold, you analyze for you, just let me know. Eh, what's your take on gold? All right. You that create juju this thing indicator. Kai, oh boy, you funny, oh, juju indicator. So let's go straight to XAUSD. Let's go straight to XAUSD. But presently, I hope you guys understand what I do on GBP USD. This is what I'm expecting on GBP USD this particular week. You understand? Because last week, you guys see how daily time frame close, and this is what I'm expecting. You understand? This bullish engulfing candle speak a lot on the chart. So stick to this particular analysis and see how it's going to work. You understand? That's what I'm going to do. Oh, all right. So let's go to XAUUSD, which is good. XAUUSD. I beg, load for me. I don't have time. Load for me. I don't have time. Load for me. Rachel, it is funny you too, huh? Juju TSU. That is the this thing, the indicator. I know he's the one. He's the one that create that particular indicator. No, there is nothing he's going to tell me. This your network needs Juju TSU. Oh, ah, what the fuck? What the f? The network needs Juju TSU. This guy, I beg. You'd not give me output of this night too. So I beg, make I manage the energy I have, analyze chart for you guys, please. Make I manage the energy I have, analyze chart for you guys. Juju tells God have mercy. Okay. This is gold. You understand? This is gold. This is XAUUSD, the almighty gold. The almighty good. All right. I see this particular bullish engulfing candle that day, and I told you guys that gold is going to take out this particular high. You get, and what exactly I will say, we are seeing that what I'm seeing on gold, me personally, I'm seeing on gold, is that gold is still going to create another all-time high. You get, see gold moving from this particular support level. This support level, tap on this particular support level, and it's giving us a bullish engulfing candle. And you guys know that I don't joke with bullish engulfing candle. You understand? You guys know I don't joke with bullish engulfing candle. That's my favorite. That's my fave. You get, that's my fave. So what exactly are you seeing on JPUSD? Let's be serious now. What exactly are you seeing on GBPUSD, XAUUSD? XAUUSD, come down, you understand, with this massive breaks to the downside, tap on this particular support level, and now what exactly are you seeing? Here is a bullish engulfing candle. Here is a bullish engulfing candle, and this is another bullish engulfing candle. You understand? So I will be expect the market to move from here, from the present this thing. I'll be expect XAUSD to move from here to create another. um since it has give this particular something like a W pattern. um since it has given a W pattern, I'll be expecting it to like go up, create another higher high, retest, you understand, then we will see a push to the upside. This is what I'll be expecting on XAUSD, you understand. As you can see clearly, XAUSD give us a W pattern from this particular support level. If you switch to 1 hour time frame, this is it here. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. You get? I know what I'm saying. I'm teaching you everything from my past experience. You understand? And if you look closely, what exactly are you seeing now like this? What exactly? What exactly? What exactly? See? Do you see? Do you see? This is what I'm telling you guys. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? This is the W pattern that I always tell you guys about. This is the W pattern that I always tell you guys about. The market form a W pattern, tap on this particular support level, you get, come down again and tap on this particular minor support level, and we are seeing this push to the upside. So this push now, where exactly are you expecting it to reach? Let me, this push now that you are seeing, this W, from this particular W pattern, this particular W pattern, before we see a retracement to the next support level, before we see this particular push to the next support level, and after the next support level, what exactly are you seeing? The market is going up. You understand? So this is what I'll be expecting from XAUSD. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. I will expect, as it's moving from here, I will expect it to come to this particular resistance level. Come to this particular resistance level, retrace back a bit, um retrace back a bit, then we'll see a push above this particular resistance level. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting from XAUSD. You understand? Forget that XAUSD is at 40 something, $4,058. You understand? Forget that. It's still going to like create another higher high. You get? It's still going to like create another higher high. This is what I'm saying on XAUSD. You understand? This is what I'm saying on XAUSD. XAUSD will come to this resistance level. You understand? Push back a bit, gather momentum from here. You understand? Gather enough momentum. Let me show you guys. Gather enough momentum from here. It will reach this particular resistance level, come down. You understand? Gather enough momentum. You understand? Gather enough momentum. You understand, ba? Then create a fake out. After creating this fake out, this is what I always see on the chart. You guys don't joke with me. After it create this particular inducement, it should break to the downside. You understand? It will break like this. It will break like this to the downside before we see a push to the upside, and that push will be very massive. You understand? This is what XAUSD is going to do. This is what XAUSD is going to do. And if you understand what I'm saying so far, let me see a reaction from you. If you understand what I'm saying so far, let me see a reaction from you. This is what I'm expecting on XAUUSD. You understand? This is what I'm see. This particular thing, always look out for this thing, no, because This is what is stopping you out. You do your analysis very well, but this thing will stop you out before it will go in your favor. Then you'll be crying upon all the analysis I do, the market still stop me out before it go in my direction, this and that. This is what the market always do. You understand? It will create enough liquidity, allow retail traders to buy from here. You understand? Then it will take a spike to the downside, then take this impulsive move to the upside. By then it will not wait for anybody to enter again. Those that one is the work of the big boys in the market. You get that one is the work of the big boys in the market. So I'm expecting more questions from you. If this particular analysis, you understand this particular analysis, let me see number one from you. Let me see number one from you. After good, let's go for Euro USD. Sure, we are going for Euro USD. Emmanuel, you always stick to Euro USD, and I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. Salman I Aquara, you are highly welcome. Boss, can you take this week trade with us online? See, the problem is, I own a shop. If you watch my video, if you watch most of my videos, I always so it to accumulate, manipulate, then distribute to the upside. Exactly. That's what it's going to do. So, Mr. Salman Aquara, see, if you watch my videos, maybe you are not, maybe you don't normally watch my video, but if you watch my video, you know that, and you see that I own a provision and a medicine store together, medicine store and a provision store together. And every morning my brother used to go to school. You understand? I'll be the only one in the school, in the shop. You understand? I'll be the only one in the shop. So it should not be easy for me to do live stream because there will be too much distraction. You understand? There will be too much distraction if I do live stream. Even that day, the last live stream that I did in the shop, a lot of distractions. You understand? A lot of distraction. That's the reason why I stopped doing live stream in the shop. But I'll promise you guys that I'll be coming during New Year section. Just that the problem is my strategy play out mostly on London section, but I'll be coming on New Year section to show you guys what you guys will be looking out for. Then we'll take a trade together. I don't know if that one will be like, if you'll be okay with that. If you are okay with me coming to live section during New Year live stream during New Year section, let me see a comment from you. If you want me to be coming on the live section to like trade New Year section trade with you guys, let me see a comment from you, please. Let me see a comment from you. Let me see a comment from you. So let's see. Emmanuel, definitely I'm going to like answer this your question. You understand? Euro USD, I'm going to answer you very, very fast. But let me see a reaction from them first. Let me see a reaction from them. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. So I have a side hustle. You understand? That's the reason why I want all of you guys who are into trading to have a side hustle too, so that even if trading is not paying you, your side hustle will be paying you till trading start to pay you correctly. You understand? Then you can maybe employ somebody to be managing your side hustle for you. Let me wait. Emmanuel and Euro USD are lovers. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Bikoti, you are new. Oh, you are highly welcome. I cite you, my bro or my sis. Bikoti, I don't know if you are a lady or a guy, but I cite you. You are new, you are new, you are new, you are new. You are highly welcome. You are highly, highly, highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. All the viewers here are welcoming you. New Year section. Let me see. New Year section. New Year section is better. All right, all right, all right. Miss, we'll be doing that together. We'll be doing that together. We'll be doing that together. New Year section is better. Then we'll be doing that together. We'll be doing that together. My God, what I don't finish. My bottle water don't finish. You understand? You understand, bro? Don't mind me. I have another one. I have another borrower right here. You get? I have another one. Where is it? Have another bottle water. So let me see a question from you guys and a lot of reaction from you guys. Please, 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 please like the video as much as you can. Please like the video, like the video. Am I not trying? Mm-hmm. Section that I supposed to do privately so that I'll be collecting money from inside. I'm doing it openly for you guys. Now. Now. Like the video. Like can just keep liking, keep liking, keep liking. I dey try. You understand? All this thing I'm teaching you guys so that you guys will be jumping the mistake that I do. I learn everything the hard way, you get. So please, you guys should be liking the video so that it will be reaching more people, so that the community will be big. When the community is big, I'll be having more energy. Even as I say I'm aggressively active, by then I'll be excess aggressively active. You get. If the community is big, if the community is big, I'll be like having more I'll be more aggressively active. You get? So let me take a question from you guys. Let's stop playing now. Let me take a question from you guys. Emmanuel, straight to your let's go straight to your question. Let's go straight to your question. Let's go straight to your question. Emmanuel, are you active? 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 If you're active, let me see you. If you're active, let me see you. If you are active, let me see you. Now, I want to illustrate on market structure, especially the higher breaker. Okay, so I'm coming. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Okay, Emmanuel, you are active. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. So we are going to Euro USD now. Let me show Euro USD real quick. Let me show Euro USD real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Let me show Euro USD real quick. Let me show Euro USD real quick. This is my network, eh? This is my network. Just as you say, I need the juju wait in there. I don't know. Be like saying I wait till I go do with that too. Because the network don't they give me Euro USD. Okay. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. You guys, see, this is past. This is our past analysis. You guys see, this is our past analysis. You understand? I told you guys that day that the market to come to this particular support level, they will see a push to the upside. You understand? Now, what are you seeing? What are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing? Show me, what exactly are you seeing? Who is badder? What exactly are you guys seeing? What exactly are you guys seeing? What exactly are you guys seeing? Yeah, I understand. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, sure. I understood, boss. 100%. Always watching your video, boss. I'm beginning to be a profitable trader just by watching your video. If you could remember, I used to show some on WhatsApp for you. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, Salman Aquara, appreciate. New Year section. I mean, I understand what you say. I understand what you say, bro. I understand what you say. You are absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. Yeah, nobody is above mistake. You're absolutely correct. You understand, Mister Albert Michael. You're absolutely correct. Why not advise them to take profit, especially Naira trade? to take profit, especially Naira trade. Naira trade. I've never traded with Naira trade. You understand? Except if I check them out myself. You understand? Anyone that I've never tested, I'm not going to recommend it for you guys. You understand? I'm not going to recommend any problem that I've never tested for anybody here. You get? I'm not going to recommend any broker, any problem that I've never tested for you guys, except if I've tested it and I see that it's working. You understand? But thank you for bringing that on. Thank you for bringing that on. Thank you for bringing that on. And once again, if you want one-on-one, you understand, with me on WhatsApp, if you want one-on-one with me, my number is still here. You understand? My number is here. Where is it? Where is it? Let me paste it for you before we go into top down and where my okay, this is it here. If you want one-on-one with me on WhatsApp, this is my number. This is my number. I pin it here. I pin it here. I pin it here. If you want one-on-one, apart from this particular one that we are doing, if you want one-on-one again, you understand, this is my WhatsApp number. You can reach me only WhatsApp, not call. I don't accept call there. Only WhatsApp. Only WhatsApp. So let's see. GPUSD, boss. I've analyzed GPUSD, but I can still go through that. I've analyzed GPUSD. So, Mr. Emmanuel, don't be angry. I am delaying you. Don't be angry. I'm delaying you. So let's go straight to the analysis. So here on our screen, this is the analysis we did on. Is it which day? Because yesterday I had not shared screen yesterday. Day first day, which is Friday. Friday that will do this analysis. And I told you guys that the market will come to this major support level that I mark. You understand? This major support level. Let me go to daily time frame. Let me go to daily time frame. I told you guys that the market will come to this major support level, then move up. Then where exactly are we going to see the market move from? Is after it take out this particular resistance level. You understand? Is either it take out this particular resistance level, break it to the upside. You understand? Break it to the upside. You understand? Then retest. Then we'll see another push to the upside. You understand? Something like this. Or come to this particular resistance level from something like an M pattern, then we'll see a push to the downside. This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. You understand? Presently, this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD presently. You get? So, but before, like, let me still go very deeper in it so that you guys who are just new into analysis, who don't know how to do a simple technical analysis, will understand better. You understand? So if you come on your chart, first thing first, don't be in a haste to take a trade. If you come on your chart, don't be in a haste to take a trade. You understand? Go to your higher time frame. Know what the higher time frame is saying. You understand? Go to your higher time frame. Know what the higher time frame is saying. Me, I'll go to daily time frame. I'll see how yesterday daily time frame closed. Then I'll switch down to 4-hour time frame. From the 4-hour time frame, I'll mark a support and a resistance level out. Then I'll switch down to 15-minute time frame. Then I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle from a support level, or a bearish engulfing candle from a resistance level. That one, I'll still go to 5-minute time frame to look for a W pattern or an M pattern. You understand? As a day trader that I be and a scalper, you understand? I'll switch to lower time frame, which is 5-minute time frame, to look for a W pattern or an M pattern. A W pattern from a support level, and M pattern from a resistance level. That is what I always look for. You understand? On the lower time frame. But first of all, if you come on your chart, first thing first you need to do, as we are beginning this week, first thing first you need to do, go to your higher time frame, go to daily time frame, know how the previous daily time frame closed, then you switch down to lower time frame, mark your support and resistance level from the higher time frame, from the 4-hour time frame, You understand? Then you switch to 15-minute time frame, wait for an engulfing candle. Me like this, I'll wait for an engulfing candle to form. After I see that engulfing candle, I'll go to 5-minute time frame to see if the market give me a W pattern or an M pattern. Then I'll enter my own particular buy or sell. You understand? So let me still do it on the chart so that you guys will understand. So please listen very, very carefully now. Listen very, very carefully. Are you using phone? Are you using phone camera? Are you using your phone camera to stream? No, this is my laptop camera. 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 So these are MT5. You understand? These are MT5 and this is Euro USD, just as Emmanuel say. So this is a major support level. You understand? If you mark it from here, this is a major support level. You understand? This is a major support level. Whenever you see this type of, I will tell you, not that I'm marking it out because the market is on it presently. You understand? Whenever you come to your chart and you see something like this, let me delete this particulars. And you see something like this, let me see. Okay. Whenever you come to your chart and you see something like this particular thing, you understand? And you see something like this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. And if you switch to 4-hour time frame, you see that the market consolidates enough, like in that particular area. You understand? This is it here in 4-hour time frame. This is it here in 4-hour time frame. This is it in 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market take this impulsive move, give a W pattern. How to do your simple technical analysis, that's what I'm teaching you now. But if you like listing, if you like don't listen, please. If you like listing, if you like don't listen. So and you see that the market give a W pattern. This is 4-hour time frame. And after that W pattern, there is a minor resistance level here that's supposed to send the market to the downside. And the market refused to come to the downside. You see a consolidation like this on the 4-hour time frame. Then the market break it to the upside. You understand? What exactly are you going to do? Mark this particular support level out. You understand? You can mark it out and set a buy limit. Even if it take 3, 4, 5 months for the market to come to this particular area. Whenever the market come to this particular area, there must be a reaction. It must move to the upside. You understand? That one is sure. And that is what saved me on my 10K account. You understand? That's what saved me on my 10K account. Immediately I see this particular pattern on GBP USD, I mark it out and I place a buy limit. You understand? And after I place that buy limit, my stop loss is below. You understand? My stop loss is below this particular area. You understand? But below that particular consolidation. You understand? Because I know say whenever the market come to this particular area and it break below this particular consolidation, means it's going down to this particular next support level. You understand? But I set my buy limit and the market come almost 2 months and it come pick me and it's going. You understand? I think that particular profit is the highest profit I've getting, you understand, so far from that particular 10K account. Is the highest profit. How much am I risking? I'm risking just 60 something, $63. Anybody that will send this particular proof to see everything, I'm risking 60 something dollar and the market have given up to 130 something dollar. You understand? Presently, and I don't even know that there's a market open there running. You get? Because I know how to do a simple technical analysis without indicator, without anything, pure naked chart. You understand? So what am I saying? This is a major support level. You understand? When you come to your chart, mark this particular support level out. You understand? Mark this type of support level out. You understand? Extend it. Extend it. Because whenever the market comes to this particular support level, there must be a reaction to it. There must be a reaction. Extend it. Extend it. As you can see, as you can see, the market come to this particular support level, and as the market come to the support, tap on the support level, and even you place your buy limit here, then your stop loss is below here. There is no way it's going to stop you out, because before this particular market break below this support level, it will go up to clear this particular high. You understand? And this is the high I'm targeting. This is the high I'm targeting currently. You understand? Presently, this is the high I'm targeting on Euro USD to take out. This is the high I'm targeting for Euro USD to take out before we see any other push to the downside. You understand? I'm targeting this particular resistance level before I'll see any push to the downside. You understand? Or a push to the upside. You understand? Or it will break this, then retest, then we'll see a push to the upside. You understand? This is what I'm targeting. You understand? But as the market have come to this particular major support level, it's like go clear this particular support resistance level. You understand? Before we see a push to the downside or a push to the upside. Clean and clear. Make sure you do your analysis clean and clear. Don't complicate things for yourself. Okay, ever since I've been doing analysis for you guys, I don't think I've used trend line more than I use trend line just once. You understand? Trend line, I use trend line just once. You get? I use trend line just once, and since then I have not used any other thing. Trend line, just common trend line. I use it just once. But since then I've not used any other thing. All I focus on is a support and a resistance level. And if the market come to a support level, there is something I must see that will give me more courage that yes, the market is going to the upside. You understand? Before I take any action. You get? There is something I will see. You get, before I will know that yes, the market will take this direction to the upside. Do you get? Let me give you an example of what I'll see. As you can see, as the market tap on this particular support level, which candlestick is this? This is a bullish engulfing candle. If you enter Adibin, you enter from this particular bullish engulfing candle. Know how. Know how. Your stop loss will be below. At least you wait for your stop loss will be around, maybe let me just say 20 pip. Let me just say maximum 20 pip. Maximum 20 pip. And this is 20 pip here. As you can see, since this particular candlestick form, this particular engulfing candlestick form, the market have not really come down up to 20 pip. You understand? Before we are seeing this push to the upside. You understand? Okay, let me give you another example of another candlestick, bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Then this is a W pattern also. This is a W pattern also. The market come, go up, come down. You understand? Then go up. This is the W pattern. You understand? Before we are seeing this consolidation from here all the way to this particular place. A lot of people would enter from here. This is an inducement. This is what I call let me see if you guys are active or not. Let me see if you guys are active. So just listen very carefully. Just listen very carefully, because this thing is going to help you. It's going to help you. Let me see. I have traded with them. They have 20% drawdown, no daily draw. I think it's okay. It's okay, friendly for beginners, and the sweet thing is they pay. Okay, so no wahala. Thank you for the information. I'm going to test it, then refer you guys to refer other people to it. I'm going to test it. You understand? I'm going to test it. Naira trader, no problem. I'm going to test it. Thank you. Then, but fundedness, to me, fundedness is the best. So please, you guys should listen very, very carefully to this analysis. It's going to change your way of doing analysis. You understand? But if your analysis is making you money, then stick to it. It's not compulsory that you pick my own, you understand, but I'm giving you guys the one that I'm using, you understand, that is working for me perfectly. So this is it here, and this is it here. So as the market give this bullish engulfing candle, adipi you enter from here, risk just 20 pip, risk just 20 people, the market will not stop you out. And what are you seeing? This is the market trying to go up, you understand. This is the market from here trying to go up. But what exactly are you seeing? What exactly do you see? Is it tried to like create this inducement. This is what I always call an inducement in the market. You understand? This is what I always call an inducement. A lot of people will buy from here. You understand? As the market have break this particular what they will call consolidation. As the market have break this particular what they will call consolidation, this is what they will do. They will enter. They will enter from here. They will enter. They will take their buy from here. A lot of people will take their buy from here thinking the market have break above this particular consolidation, take their buy from here, then the market will just take this move to the downside, stop them out, you understand, go below this particular inducement that it creates, you understand, stop them out. After the market stop them out, what exactly do you see? What exactly do you see now? This is another bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. See, check my description. The reason why I write there that I'm a master of bullish engulfing candle is not by mouth. It's not pride. It's not as if I don't know what I said. It's not as if I don't know what I'm doing. You understand? It's not as if I don't know what I'm doing. You guys supposed to know that yes, I am like I master bullish engulfing candle very, very, very well. That's why you see that my trade will hardly hit SL. You understand? Except if I do against my trading plan. If I do against my trading plan, that is when you see that yes, my trade will hit SL. You understand? Most of the trade that hit, most of my trade that hit SL is the one that I do out of my trading plan. And you guys know there is no way you kick out emotion totally from your trading journey. No, there is no way, no way. So please drop number one if you're active. Drop number one if you're active, so that will fire on. Drop number one if you're active. Drop number one if you're active, so that will fire on. Drop number one if you're active. Drop number one. Any emoji at all, drop it, drop it, drop it. If it is fire emoji, anything, 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 anything. Drop number. Okay. Cheesy Benz, you're active. Thank you, Cheesy Benz. I need more reaction from you guys. Let me know if you guys are following. Unabike Emmanuel, thank you. You are active. I just want you guys to get value from this particular live section, because we are going to new week. Though I don't want you guys to go and be doing unnecessary mistake. You understand? Rachel, you are active. Thank you so much. Thank you. You are active. Rachel, you are active. I need more reactions. I need more reactions. Rachel, you're active. Cheesy Benz, you're active. Emmanuel, you're active. I need more reactions so that I'll go and show you guys what bullish engulfing, the power of bullish engulfing candle look like. The power of bullish engulfing candle. Let me show you guys. There is no way to there's no need to hide my strategy from you guys. No. There's no need to hide my strategy from you guys. Once you come on the live stream here, there's no need to hide my strategy from you. This particular live session is a live session that I suppose gather 1 or 2, 3 people who can be able to pay. You understand? Then I'll be having it with them, but I choose to give it out free for you guys. You understand? I choose to give it out free for you guys. And if you are all right, Oko Kingsley, you are active. Thank you. You are active. Means since you guys are active, let's fire on. You understand? If you are studying this particular pattern and you cannot be able to wait for me to come on the live stream so that you ask your question, and you want to reach me on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. But there's a little fee, you understand, attached to that one, because I will squeeze my time to like explain, attend to you very, very okay, you understand. So this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. You understand? This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. If you want to reach me, if you want to know, like if you want me and you like to be like doing it back to back on WhatsApp, you understand? Because I'll not be coming here every time, but on WhatsApp you can get me anytime. If you like, if you reach me, you understand, with a little few amount of money, so that you will be serious. You understand? Not that it's your money that will make me rich. No. But for you to be serious, for you to be serious, because I've get so many disappointment from people, because I'm trying to teach them, but since they do not pay for it, they don't take it very serious. You understand? So many disadvantage. Yeah, how am I even discouraged from people? So with your little fee, you can be able to like listen. You understand? Some people I will even be the one to hit them up how far, you understand, before they will even respond. Some of them no dey even respond, you understand, and I'm the one giving them value, and they don't pay for it. And even they pay for it, they will be very, very active, you understand. They will even be the one to be disturbing. Then I'll be squeezing my time to like teach them what they need, you understand. All right, all right, all right. Chikwu Ebuka, you are active, you are active, you are active. All right, so let's fire on, let's fire on, let's fire on. This is it here. So since the market creates, as you can, if you look closely, the market creates an inducement here, you understand, and give this fake out, this particular fake breakout, you understand. Then after that fake breakout, a lot of people will think that the market will buy from here, you understand. Then they will take their trade, put their stop loss below this particular last low, you understand, and the market will come down, sweep them out. After the market, like, if you want to know when the market want to take a serious move, just wait for 15 minutes engulfing candle. Do you get? And if you want me to mentor you, hit me up on WhatsApp. If you want me to be giving you, like, to be mentoring you separate again, apart from this particular one that I'm doing, just hit me up on WhatsApp. If you want to know when the market want to take a serious move back, wait for it to come to a major support level, then wait for a healthy bullish engulfing candle. Then you see that the market will take an aggressive move to the upside. Let me show you the example here. After the market have stopped out here, what exactly do you see? Let me carry this arrow. What exactly do you see here? This is a healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? From the 15-minute time frame, this is the time frame here. 15-minute time frame. This is a healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? And since you see this healthy bullish engulfing candle, the market did not go below it. You understand? And since then, that is after this bullish engulfing candle, and even you enter your trade from here, you understand? Let me delete this. Maybe after you see this bullish engulfing candle, and you enter your trade from here, and from the next candlestick, pull your stop loss, let me just say below, let's say your stop loss is 20 pip away from your entry. Let me just say it's 20 pip. You understand? Immediately after you see the bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, the next candlestick, just enter your trade from the next candlestick, then put your stop loss below the engulfing candle. Maximum, let it be 20 pip, then you target 40 pip. That is 1 to 2. You understand? Let your take, like, if you are using this particular strategy, it give more than 1 to 2, 1 to even 5, even 1 to 10 sef, it give. You understand? Whenever you get it from the right support level, and you can be able to wait, it will give you even more than 1 to 10. You understand? But what I always target, me personally, what I always target is 1 to 2. You understand? Because after that 1 to 2, you must see a retracement. You understand? And you don't know when the retracement is going to reach. You understand? But this is clean 1 to 2. After this particular engulfing candle, 15 minute and healthy engulfing candle, you see that the market take this aggressive move to the upside, and your 1 to 2 is clean. No much law, no much consideration, no long talk, nothing, and you get your 1 to 2 clean and clear. You understand? So this is how it work. This is how it work. So after you do your top down analysis from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame, from the 4 hour time frame switch down to 15 minute time frame. On the 15 minute time frame, wait for the market to like give you a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame. After you see that W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, go to 15 minute time frame again, wait for bullish engulfing candle. If you see that bullish engulfing candle, enter your trade, then risk 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip, risk 20 pip max. You understand? Risk 20 pip max, maximum 20 pip, then target 40 pip. You understand? If na 1 to 3 you dey target, you can stick to that. If na 1 to 5 you can stick to that, but just wait for this particular 15 minute engulfing candle. I'm sharing this thing free of charge for you guys, something that I suffer more than 3 years to learn, see more than 4 years to learn. I'm giving you guys for free. I'm giving you guys for free, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. What do I do to escape the inducement? Very, very simple. That's what I teach you. You understand? Very, very simple. What you do to dodge the inducement, to escape that inducement and coming, just stay active. You understand? Stay active. Drop your question and come in just a minute. Just a minute. Drop your question and come in just a minute. All right. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay. Still that same question that is here. What do you do? What do I do to escape the inducement? This is it. You understand? This is it. Let me give you an example of that particular inducement. You understand? Let me give you an example of that particular inducement. You understand? Let me give you an example of that particular inducement. Let me give you an example of that particular inducement on the chart. All right. Okay, let's say market is doing a higher, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, higher low. What am I saying? This is a this is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You understand? Then maybe the market want to, what is that? What is that? What is that? Like they are trying to burn my things. So NEPA just increase. Just excuse, I'm coming. Let me. And if I shake this thing now, everything is going to disconnect. Why the increment? Why they just increase the light like this? Make dem no burn my things. So okay. So this is it here. Once you are seeing a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low like this, the market will like, before the market will change structure to the upside bar, you see something like this before this particular low. Okay, let's say this is the last low here. This is the last low here. Then the market will start to do something like this. Let me pick this one again. It will start to do something like this. Go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, come down. You understand? It will start to create this thing, consolidation. You understand? This consolidation bar, it will give a fake out here like this. You understand? It will give a fake out. What is that? What is that? What is that? What nonsense is this? They want to burn everything down for me. What is that now? Why are they doing this like this evening? What's the problem? Are you sure I have not? Hope nothing burn it. Kai, what's this nonsense? What's this nonsense? I've lost plenty bulb this evening because of this their nonsense. I've lost plenty bulb because of this their nonsense. Because of this nonsense. Increasing light anyhow, increasing it and bringing it back, increasing and bringing it back, and it keep burning things. It keep burning things. What is this? What is this, for God's sake? What is this? What is this? For my shop, I've AKT bulb, biggest bulb that I buy up to 5,000 naira. I've lost two today. I've lost two bulbs today because of this their nonsense. I'm even perceiving something. I don't know what exactly that this thing burn now like this. I don't know wetin this thing burn. I don't know wetin this thing burn like this. This they are useless, like they go just no problem. So they cannot stop my this thing o. Oh, let's continue abeg. What is it? Keep going on, bro. So no wahala, no problem. Let's continue. This is it here. Once the market is creating something like this, just know that it's trying to like grab liquidity. Whenever a market is approaching a major support level, whenever a market is approaching a major support level and it start consolidating, just know that the market is trying to grab enough liquidity before it will move to the upside. That is number one thing you need to know. Have that one at the back of your head. You understand? Have that particular one at the back of your head. Whenever the market is creating something like this and you see that yes, there is a major support level down here, even if it create this particular fake breakout, this is fake breakout here. This is fake breakout. This particular one is a fake breakout. If you create this fake breakout, all you need to do is to just wait, because a lot of people who don't understand market structure, they will buy from here. You understand? Maybe they will think the market is going up. They will buy from here. They'll buy from here, put their stop loss below this particular consideration, then maybe target up. You understand? Target the next resistance level, something like this. You understand? But do you know what the market will do? This is what the market will do. it will come down, you understand? It will come down immediately from here. It will come down with aggressive, come down like this, tap on this particular support level. After I tap, it will clear all of them from here, grab enough liquidity, tap on the main support level, then you see a push to the upside. You understand? This particular push that the market will do to the upside bar, it won't like give any signal or anything. It won't consolidate, it won't do anything. Only thing you will see from this particular support level is a bullish engulfing candle from 15-minute time frame, because that is the only thing that that you use, that the market itself will use to confirm a strong move to the upside. That is, like, whenever you see a bullish engulfing candles from the 15-minute time frame, that means buyers have take total control of the market. You understand? And whenever you see a bearish engulfing candle from a major support resistance level, means sellers have taken fully control of the market. You understand? Except it, no, like there is not even except inside. So this is what inducement is all about. So if you keep studying it on your chart, you must escape it time to time to time to time to time to time. You understand? You must escape it. Whenever you are seeing something like this, even if you leave your chart, if you don't have chance to like stay with your chance to wait for the break to the downside, put your buy limit here. You understand? Put your buy limit here. Let your stop loss go below this particular major support level. You understand? 20 pip mass. Let's say 20 pip mass. Something like this. Then target 1 to 2. Target 1 to 2. If market is creating something like this, if the consolidation is too much and you are not going to stay on the chart, just pull your buy limit here. Let your stop loss be 20 pip mass. You understand? Maximum 20 pip. Then just target 1 to 2 and just leave your chart. Just leave your chart. One of my things don't burn. One of my things don't burn. Seriously, let it not be. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus, my charger don't burn. God, my charger don't burn. I said it. I said it. I've been perceiving something. I said it. I've been perceiving some things. I've been perceiving something. I said it. They don't burn my laptop charger now. They have burned this laptop charger. See the way they hold. They have burned my laptop charger. They have burned my laptop charger now like this. They have burned my laptop charger now like this. They have burned my laptop charger. They have burned my laptop charger. Now tomorrow is Monday. If I not, oh my God, unexpected expenses. What the fuck is this? What the heck is this? What is this? What is this, for God's sake? 2 of my bulb, AKT bulb. I buy it, you see, 4,500 to 5,000 naira. Born for my shop here. Because of this, their light, they are just taking it up, like hiding it all the time. Now I've been perceiving this thing. I know something is wrong. I don't even know that is my charger. I don't know that is my charger. So let's continue till the battery off. It's not going to stop anything. No wahala. Try to be using stabilizer. I get 2 stabilizer for my shop. I get 2 stabilizer for my shop. I don't know. Maybe I'll Then this, let me show you guys this particular small one. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh boy, oh boy. We are going to use just a minute. Voltage guard. Even this voltage guard, see, abeg let me tell them to off everything in my shop. Just 1 minute, 1 minute, guys. Let them off everything in my shop. You guys will not believe all the bulb in my shop, all of them burn. Remain just one. All the two shop together, all the bulb burn, you understand? It's only one that is working now, and that one is outside. All the inside bulb, more than 6 bulb inside my shop, all of them burn. All the 6 bulb inside my shop, all of them burn. All of them burn. So I don't know. Lawal Felix, do you get any value? Like, do you understand this analysis that I do on the chat? If you understand the analysis, just let me know. If you're active, let me know. If you're active, let me know. If you are active, just let me know. If you are active, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know, and drop your question. Let's go. Drop your question. Let's go. We don't have much time because of battery. We don't have much time because of battery. If you are active, let me know. No. Omo, no problem, no problem, my bro. I appreciate. No problem, no problem. That one, loss is part of me already. Loss is part of me already. Loss is part of me. You know they enter me at all. You know they enter me. So please, if you understand what this particular analysis that I do, this particular this thing that I do, just let me know. If you're active, let me know. Please boost my energy, abeg, boost my energy back. This thing, I don't even, as you know, they pay me, e bring down my energy. So if I see a reaction from you guys, my energy is definitely going to come back. Let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction. 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 Let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction from you guys. If you get this how this particular inducements work, thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. I appreciate. Appreciate. Let me see a reaction from you guys. If you get what I just did on the chat, please let me know. If you understand what I did on the chat, let me know. How you can dodge an inducement. You understand how you can dodge market manipulation. This is it here. If you understand it, please let me know. Let me know. Then if there is any question, just throw in the question so that we'll fire on. If there's any question, please throw the question in. Let's fire on. Let's fire on. Let's fire on. If there is any question, please, if you understand what I do on the chat now, please let me know. If you understand what I do on the chat, let me know. If you understand this particular thing, this is how to dodge an inducement. This is what they call inducement on the chart. You understand? Make research about it and learn so much about it. It will help you a lot. Make research about this particular strategy and learn about it. It will help you, and it will help you a lot. So if you understand this particular this thing that I draw here, just let me know. And if there is any question, let me know. Just tell me what you need, and then we'll do it together. Tell me what you need, then we'll do it together. Had it been na phone I dey use do this analysis, I for go show una my shop how dark everywhere is. But but that no be anything. Very soon I'll just tell them to close the shop, then come back tomorrow. So just let me know. Okay, you understand. That's great. That's great. That's great. Any other questions? Any other questions? If there is no question, then I'll just go to, let's discuss more concerning the new week that we are going. As a beginner, you need somebody by your side who will be telling you, at least giving you, motivating you, tell you what to do and tell you what not to do on the chart, so that you won't be making an unnecessary mistake. You get? So let me stop sharing screen. I'll stop sharing screen. Yeah, this is it here. So let me know if there's anything. Let me know if there's anything. So as a beginner, this is a new week. I know what I always pass through. You understand? During my beginners this thing stage. Maybe if during weekend like this, body go dey scratch you. You understand? Body go dey scratch you, make market open so that you take trade. You understand? But that particular body wey dey scratch you na to just make you go lose money. You understand? So as the market dey open, don't be in the haste to take a trade. You understand? That's one thing you need to know. Don't be in the haste to take a trade. Just take it slow and steady. Make sure you study more than you trade. You understand? Study more than you trade. Study the chart more than you trade. Make sure your analysis work out. You understand? The longer you stay in the chart, the more you understand how it work. So make sure you stick to the chart, learn how it work, learn everything about it. You understand? Don't be in the haste to take a trade if market open, because as a beginner, body go dey scratch you, make market open, then you take trade, but that is when you're going to lose money. And if you lose your money on Monday, that you will be very, very frustrated. You understand? So don't waste so much on the chart. Study more than you trade. You understand? Study more than you trade. Study the chart, know how the chart works more than you trade. That will help you a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. So I'll be asking a question from you guys, what you need to do, or anything, 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 anything. You understand? What you need to do or anything. Your turn up now will bring back my energy before the battery off. Your turn up now will bring back my energy before the battery off. We have less than 7 minutes to go. We have less than 7 minutes to go. Then maybe till we'll see during New Year section tomorrow. We have less than 7 minutes to go. 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 Active, active, active. Okay, let me see. WhatsApp or Instagram? Yeah, search BenVFX on Instagram. You'll see my Instagram handle, BenVFX2525. You know my face already now. BenVFX2525 on Instagram. You understand? BenVFX2525 on Instagram. It will show up. And my WhatsApp number, I'm going to everything is active. BenVFX in all social media, Facebook, BenVFX. And from my YouTube here, you can enter my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, my Twitter, all the social media, you understand, even Telegram, from WhatsApp, all of them is on my description on WhatsApp, you understand, and I'm active in all of them, aggressively active, you understand, aggressively active. I'm aggressively active in all the social media, aggressively active. So this is my WhatsApp number here. By what time tomorrow, boss? Be more specific. That's very good. That's very good. Anything, let me just say 12:30. Anything 12:30 to 12:30 is okay. 12:30, 12:30, 12:30. That one before New Year section open. We'll be analyzing the chart, then preparing for the market, for the chart, for the market, for trade, preparing for trade. 12:30 tomorrow, 12:30 tomorrow. I just pray so that the light will be stable before then. Then I will try get new charger tomorrow. That's just it. I'll try get new charger before that 12:30 tomorrow. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number in case if you want one on one on WhatsApp. 070 abi this thing now don dey 070 83 11 9905 070. I think I even have it here. Let me look for it and paste it. 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 Okay, this is it. So this is my WhatsApp number. In case if you want one on one, you understand. If you want one on one, you can reach me on WhatsApp. If you want one on one, you can reach me on WhatsApp. You get, as the week is like starting, please don't be in a haste. Don't be in a haste to take a trade. Don't be in a haste to take a trade. Study more than you trade. You understand? Once you get the knowledge, money will follow. You understand? What you are pursuing, what once you get the knowledge, the money will follow. You understand? Just try get the knowledge first. Get a working strategy first. Then the rest is to just fire on. You get, the rest is to just fire on. Get the knowledge and money will follow. Get the knowledge and money will follow. We have less than 3 minutes to go. My battery is going down. Less than 3 minutes to go. 12:30 tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. tomorrow. Less than 3 minutes to go. 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 12:30 tomorrow will be active. 12:30 tomorrow. 12:30 tomorrow p.m. 12:30 p.m. tomorrow will be active. I just pray so that there will be light. They will come and do it. They don't delay in repairing light here. So 12:30 tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. tomorrow will be live. Then bring your question, bring any pair you want me to analyze for you. Any pair at all you want me to analyze for you, just bring it tomorrow. I mean, my plan is to spend a whole time with you guys today, but what this thing is doing, I don't really understand. It's trying to spoil everything for me, for us, but it's still what it is. It is what it is. Nothing spoil. It is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing spoil. So we have less than 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Any question? Any other question? I'm still repeating myself. Don't be in a haste to take a trade tomorrow. Don't be in the haste to take a trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, sef, market will try to like stable. You get stable first before the real move starts on Tuesday. But me, once I see my strategy, I trade on Monday and I still make profit. I trade on more than I still make profit. Just that my strategy play out during London section more than New York section. That's just the thing. But we'll be active during New York section. We are going to be active during New York section. All right, less than 1 minute to go. 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 I love you guys all for coming to this live video. Hope you guys get value. Tomorrow will be massive. Tomorrow will be massive. Hard luck, boss. No problem, bro. No problem. No problem. No problem. You know now. As a forex trader, there is no any loss that you cannot chase. There is no any loss at all that you cannot chase as a forex trader. Thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate my bro. Saman. I appreciate. I appreciate. I appreciate. I appreciate. There's no any loss at all that you cannot chase. Tomorrow I'm going to get a new laptop charger in the morning. Anything 8, if they open, I'll just go straight and get a new laptop charger. Then before that 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., everything will be ready. All my prayer is let there be light so that we'll just continue. You get appreciate. Appreciate my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We'll call it a day for today. You understand? We'll call it a day. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, Baby FX love you and I got you covered every time, anytime, any day. You understand? I got you covered. I got your back anytime, any day, anytime, any day, anytime, any day. Love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. I'm ending the live stream now. Bye.